Hey everybody, it's Brian here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. So at the time of publishing this video, we're almost midway through the summer season. And as many of you know, once summer ends, the busiest time of the year, the fourth quarter, will be upon us. The time when we want to increase the possibility of making as many sales as we can during the important time of the year. Now, if you haven't started yet, I want to highly encourage you to watch this video from start to finish because I'm going to be sharing with you 8 prompts that you can create a ton of amazing sticker packs that you can offer to your customer base. And when the fourth quarter comes around, when those early birds are starting to look for unique designs, for t-shirts, for sticker packs, for mugs, you'll be in a position to have all of these amazing images that you can generate through these prompts for your customers to consider purchasing and obviously increasing your potential of making more money. So if you're interested in learning what these 8 prompts are, then let's head over to my computer right now and get started with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to my computer screen. As you can see, we have a nice Halloween appropriate background. Again, what I am about to show you in this episode today does not necessarily have to be applicable just to Halloween. You can do it for any niche. You can do it for any holiday, any occasion throughout the time of the year. So first thing that I did was I went on to ChatGPT and I asked it for a list of creatures and animals associated with Halloween. And I asked it to split it into 2 columns so that it would be easy for me to refer to. And then basically I just copied this onto a Google Doc, a Word doc, and then I just left it off on the side of the screen for me to be able to refer to it as I was creating the images in Midjourney. Now, the next thing that I did was I started researching different types of art styles that are popular. And for those of you who've been keeping your eyes and ears open and tuned to what's going on in the print-on-demand industry, in the art world, you will know that anime art is still very popular, still highly prized in terms of an art style. So I went on to ChatGPT and I asked it to give me a list of 20 different anime styles, again split into 2 columns. So you have it up on screen right now. If you want to pause this video and take a screenshot of it, you can. Basically, these are the different keywords that we're going to use in our image generating prompts on Midjourney. And again, you can use it in Blue Willow, you can use it in Leonardo. You don't have to be just focused on Midjourney. You can use it on any image generating prompts that you want. Some are going to give you better results than others. So I would highly recommend that you start utilizing these prompts on one particular platform and then start branching out into others as you start developing your proficiency, your confidence levels in utilizing AI image generator. So let's quickly go through a few of the images that I generated. Now remember, we are generating images for sticker packs, okay? As many of you probably very well know, or for those of you who are still new to this industry, sticker packs do very, very well in the print-on-demand industry. So if you are still using Redbubble, or if you are new to this industry and maybe got exposed to Redbubble first and wanted to give a try utilizing this platform, irrespective of the tier system that they have, you can go ahead and utilize these prompts. So let's get going. So we got image prompt. Now the first one basically is a sticker of a wicked witch, cyan anime art style, cartoon, picture style, die cut sticker with an aspect ratio of 1:1. Now I'm going to be providing these prompts in the pinned comment section below this video, so don't worry about trying to type them out or whatnot. For the moment, just take a look at the images that are being generated based on these prompts so that you can get an idea of what these prompts will provide you with. And again, you can change Wicked Witch to any keyword related to any holiday, any niche. I mean, I'm thinking Thanksgiving, a sticker of a turkey. I'm thinking Christmas, a sticker of a beautifully lit Christmas tree. All right, and then you would continue on with the prompt. Now for this particular prompt, this is the results that I got back from Midjourney. As you can see here, we got 4 amazing images. We've got this nice white outline around each of the image. We have solid background colors on the top 2, not so much in terms of the bottom 2, but the fact that we've got these white borders around the images will make it very easy for us to be able to crop out and remove the background of these images so that we can use them in sticker packs. Okay, so what I'm thinking now is you could either focus your attention on creating different types of witches based on any and all of the prompts that I'm going to be showing you today, or you could pick and choose from different aspects of Halloween, witches, werewolves, ghosts, ghouls, etc., and provide your clients with a sticker pack of 4, 6, 8, 10 different stickers that will actually be really great for them to consider buying and utilizing around the Halloween time if Halloween images are the choice of stickers that you wish to create. Okay, so let's go to the next prompt. A sticker of a haunted house, manga screen tone patterns, dot pattern, larger and more widely spaced dots, high quality, again, aspect ratio of 1:1, okay? And again, this is just another anime style for you to be aware of. You don't necessarily need to use this particular anime style. You can choose any of the ones from the list that I showed you at the beginning, okay? And look at the style, look at the images that obviously Midjourney produced for us. Again, really fantastic. Just look at the top one over here with all of these branches stemming out from it. You got this one here with the dots. I don't know how well that would transpose onto a sticker because understandably, each of these dots will probably transpose into an individual sticker, which might be a nuisance to the client purchasing the sticker pack. So you might want to do a little bit of image editing before you upload it to your print-on-demand provider and maybe erase these dots all around it. Again, we've got this fourth one over here. It's not a perfect circle. You've got these wisps over here. So obviously when it's printed out in a sticker pack, you're going to have that white border around it, which is going to make for an amazing round sticker that your customer will be very happy to use. And again, if you want to use, a rectangular sticker, again, you've got this too as well. So just imagine taking all of the different creatures, all of the different animals or whatnot from Halloween and then inputting it into this particular prompt and then getting, 6, 8, or 10 of these different images similar to the one that we see here with the haunted house, but for different aspects of Halloween, and then just creating a visually appealing sticker pack for them to utilize. Okay, prompt number 3, a sticker of a scarecrow, chibi anime art, Yon Yoshinari, which is the name of an anime artist, graffiti, aspect ratio 1:1. Okay, now I just want to caution everybody that when you are typing, when you copy it, make sure, I don't know why it transposed like this, but make sure that when you're doing the aspect ratio, you have 2 dashes, not 1, otherwise you'll get an error on Midjourney. And to my knowledge, the same thing will happen on Blue Willow as well. But for all intents and purposes, this particular prompt with the double dash provided this result. Now, as you can see here, we have quite a busy background, but again, I'm not worried about that because of the fact that we've got this colored border outline around each of the image. If I were to select based on that color using, platforms like Photoshop, Photopea, Illustrator, it would be very easy to extrapolate these images, utilize them in a sticker pack, and just take a look at the quality of these images. They're really, really great. I'm so impressed. Okay, the next one, but this is prompt number 4, a sticker of a zombie, graffiti art style, shonen art style, again, aspect ratio of 1:1. Okay, and these are the results that we got for this particular prompt. Again, look at these images that we've received here. Again, we can extrapolate. We will have to do a bit of image editing to number 2 where we're going to use it. Again, it is close enough, so maybe it won't be a problem. Ideally, what you would do is you would upload it as a test, say to Redbubble, just to see what kind of, results you were going to get. And then, put it onto private and then just see if, you're going to have these dots further out, which is going to be a problem. If they're close enough that it's not going to be an issue, then you could go ahead and utilize it and it would provide an amazing sticker for a customer to utilize. The next image prompt, a sticker of a jack-o'-lantern, candy core art style, again, aspect ratio of 1:1. And if you want to try different aspect ratios, you can too as well. The beauty of these AI image generators is that you can be creative, you can be flexible, you can try so many different art styles. And every time you change a keyword, every time you change a style, you're going to get back a totally different result. And even if you had to regenerate the same prompt, you're going to get so many different amazing images that you can use for your sticker packs that, you could just spend an afternoon on a weekend creating and generating all of these amazing different art styles and then spend a week formulating them into sticker packs and uploading them to your print-on-demand platforms, and really increase your chances of making some amazing sales when the fourth quarter comes around. So let's take a look at the results that we got back. So as you can see here, we've got 4 really amazing jack-o'-lanterns here. Very Halloween style, somewhat spooky. Again, not too spooky that it wouldn't be good for children, especially if parents wanted to buy some stickers for their children to utilize. So, you want to decide whether or not you want to focus your attention on children or teens or adults. But again, you could focus on all 3 demographics and really increase your chances of landing sales. So the next prompt is a sticker of the mummy gothic art style, horror anime art style. So we're trying to merge 2 different art styles together. And again, aspect ratio of 1:1. And these are the results that we got. Take a look at these. I mean, look at number 4 here. The eyes are so piercing. We've got the wrap of the mummies, not your traditional mummies from the 60s and the 70s. It's a lot spookier. Again, we've got the gothic influence into it, all right? And again, given the fact that we've got solid backgrounds, we've got the white, we've got the black, and we've got the gray background, it makes it really easy to extrapolate, to remove the backgrounds, and create some amazing sticker packs. Okay. Now, the next one here is a sticker of a werewolf, Japanese anime, scary, haunting, larger than life, 4K, hyper-realistic, high quality, and again, an aspect ratio of 1:1. As you can see here, I added a few more keywords just to see what kind of results Midjourney is going to come back with to me. Again, you don't have to use all of them. You can use more if you want. You can even use negative prompts if you want to make sure that it doesn't include anything that you don't want. Again, for these ones, I didn't use any negative prompting, and I still got some really amazing images. Here is the result for the werewolf, and as you can see here, these are really scary, okay? They're really detailed. I mean, look at number 1 and number 2 here with the teeth, the fangs coming out, the piercing eyes. I mean, even number 3 and number 4 are really, really great. So I would really have no problems using any and all 4 of these images in a sticker pack. And I have no doubt that customers seeing these particular stickers, if they're really into this particular style, would be biting at the bit to click the add to cart button and to make the purchase. Okay, now the last prompt that we're going to be going through in today's video is a sticker of the Grim Reaper. We can't end a Halloween related video without obviously including the Grim Reaper. Vintage retro style, slice of life anime art style. Again, we're merging 2 different styles together with an aspect ratio of 1:1. And here are the results. Again, so you can see here, just detailed, just amazing. I mean, if you had to try and draw this, it would take you hours upon hours. And with Midjourney, it was literally seconds as I clicked on the enter key on my keyboard and waited for Midjourney to come back with these particular images, as you can see here. And the other great thing about this is that if I wanted to, I could actually have created a variation of any of these images here that we see here, and that would have provided me with more potential stickers to use in a mix and match sticker pack, so that I will always have resources to utilize to include in sticker packs and create some amazing products for my customers to consider buying. So there you have it, everybody. As you can see, they're not difficult to utilize. They're super simple, and I kept it that way on purpose so that those of you who are new to the print-on-demand industry, for those of you who are new to utilizing AI image generating platforms like Midjourney, won't feel overwhelmed, won't feel discouraged, because in truth, even a few words on these image generator pro platforms will create amazing results. Understandably, the more keywords, the more information that you give to the platform, the better the images that you are going to get. I'm going to leave all 8 prompts in the pinned comment section down below, so you can go in, you can copy them, and you can tweak them and utilize them to your heart's content and create some amazing images for your customers to chew on, to click the add to cart button, and to make that sale. So I certainly hope that you found value in today's video. If you did, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you're new to this channel or haven't as yet subscribed to it, please do me a favor right now and click that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you will be informed each and every time that I upload a new video to my channel. Help me to reach 5,000 subs by the end of this calendar year. But for today, that's all I've got. And as always, be safe, be well, be creative. Bye for now. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Midjourney to create some amazing stickers, why not check out one of these 2 videos that are appearing on your screen right now. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.